to today's session. So did you all practice the words? Did you all read the words from A to Z? Hope you all practiced. So did you check the previous video? What we did in the previous video? Can you please tell me? Yes, we have filled the words where there is a missing letter. Right? We have filled the words with missing letters. So, did we finish from A to Z? No, only some words we have completed. So, shall we see the remaining? Yes, here we go. So, children, from A to I letter, missing words we have completed in page 19. Shall we go and see the next page? Page 20. Same. Complete. What we have to complete? Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Complete the words. What we have to do? We have to see the pictures and we have to complete the word because there are missing letters in those words. Right? Shall we see the first one? Here we go. What is this? Joker. Right? Joker. What is the starting letter for Joker? J. Good. J for Joker. Can you tell me some more examples of J? J for jug. J for jackal. J for jacket. Right? See this picture. Who is he? Someone is wearing crown. Who will wear crowns? Kings and queens. Right? But queen crown will be different. Here this is man. You can see the mustache. What is this? King or queen? King. Right? Men's will have mustache. Right? So, this is the picture of king. What is the starting letter for king? K. Good. K for king. K-I-N-G. King. Sorry children, we forgot to read this. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. K-I-N-G. King. Okay. Now see this. What is this? See this one we will keep in bedroom. What is that? Yes, it is a bed lamp. Lamp. Right? What is the starting letter for lamp? L. Good. L for lamp. Tell me some more examples of L. Lion. Right? One more. Lotus. Right? Leopard. So, lamp. L for lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Next one. What is this? We all eat this one in summer season. We all like, right? Mango. What is the starting letter for mango? Good. M. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Next. Who is she? Nurse. Where do we see this nurse? In hospital. Right? What is the starting letter for nurse? The word nurse starts with letter N. N is missing here. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Next, this one is, yes, orange. What is this? Orange. Orange starts with letter O. Good. We all eat oranges, right? We all like to eat orange. So, O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next. See, you have seen this in zoos as well as near your homes sometimes. What is this with a red beak? Parrot. Very good. So what is the letter missing here? What is the starting letter for parrot? P. Good. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. So, in the first line we have seen king as well as we have discussed queen also. So, here you can see for king there are moustache and different crown. Here you can see the crown of this lady. See the crown's difference? Right? And she doesn't have moustache. So obviously she is a lady. Right? So she is a queen. This is king. Queen. Right? What is the missing letter here? Yes. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Next is, you all have these plants in your homes. Most of you. Right? What is this? Rose. Very good. What is the starting letter for rose? R. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Shall we repeat all the one more time? J for joker. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. K for king. K-I-N-G. King. L for lamb. L-A-M-P. Lamb. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. N for nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. So children, we have completed the missing words from J to R in this session. Right? So children, don't forget to read those words and remember those words. Because if you remember these words, that will help you in the further one. Okay? So remaining from S to Z we will see in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.